Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can connect Apple Music to ChatGPT. Well, it's quite easy. So firstly, you'll have to remember that you should buy the subscription of your Apple Music and then sign into your account. So after making sure that, all you have to do is open your ChatGPT and also make sure that you are logged into ChatGPT. So after doing that, here you can tap on this menu bar right here, from which tap on the apps option. Then from here, you can see all of the applications. You can see Apple Music is right here. Just simply tap on it. And then here you can get the option of connect, tap on connect. Then after doing that, if you scroll down a bit, here you can get the option of reference memory and chat. So if you want to allow ChatGPT to reference relevant memories and chat, you can simply enable this option or disable it. Then tap on connect Apple Music. So after doing that, all you have to do is tap on continue in order to link your account. And from here, you'll have to enter your email ID of your Apple Music and the password of your Apple Music account. And like that, you'll be linked to the ChatGPT. Now you will be able to generate, refine, and add custom playlists to your library based on your mood, genre, or context. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.